Let's replace the cabin air filter on this 2023 Chevy Colorado. Let's open the door. Here's our new cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Alright, so let's open our glove box. And we're going to push this tab in like this, inward, and you do the same thing onto the side. Okay, and you'll be ready to drop. There it is. And here is our cabin air filter. You're going to push that tab here. Same thing there. Here is our cabin air filter. That's the old one. Here is the new one. I'll post the link in the comment section below for this. Pay attention to the orientation of the arrow facing down. And just slide it in. Just like this, and you close it. That's it. That's it, guys. And let's put our glove box back in. Okay, and close it. Let's put the customer belonging in there, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.